Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What are the chances for another OINP Human Capital Priority Stream draw? In this video, you're going to find out. FSW draws are nowhere to be seen and we don't know when they will resume. I am anticipating that they will be resumed in July, but you never know, I might be wrong. Okay, so FSW draws are on a side at the moment and the last cutoff for FSW draws were 468. So we know that OINP, whenever they are going to select candidates, they are going to select people below 468. So the highest CRS they are going to select is going to be 467. Okay, that is one thing clear. As far as the CRS prediction is concerned for the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, for the Human Capital Priority Stream and the Journal Draw and the Tech Draws. Okay, so as per my anticipation, the CRS range for the Tech Draw will be about 455 to 467. That is my anticipation. Okay, and for the Journal Draw, for the Human Capital Priority Stream Journal Draw, my CRS prediction is 458 to 467. Okay, it could be between these knocks. Okay, depending on the number of candidates that they are going to invite. If they invite 700 odd people, then these are going to be the CRS ranges that you're going to see. And if they invite lesser people, like 200, 300 people, then obviously the CRS is going to be a little higher. Okay, but that CRS prediction is something that you can guess as well. It is not a rocket science. But the $1 million question is that whether OINP, the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, Journal Draw or Tech Draw for Human Capital Priority Stream, is there going to be a draw before FSW resumes or not? So in my prediction, there is going to be two draws for Ontario before FSW resumes, because I will give you a reason for that. Okay, in 2019, we had seen that after August, OINP did not conduct a HCP draw. Okay, and in 2020, because of COVID, they had conducted some draws after August, but the draw numbers were very minimal. Okay, and in this year as well, because OINP has been selecting people regularly in regular intervals. Last time they selected about 528 people. Okay, so it is safe to assume that they are going to still be filling up their quota before August or maximum by September. Okay, so if the FSW draws are going to get delayed, we are going to see at least two OINP draws before FSW resumes. Okay, so this is a golden opportunity again for the people living outside of Canada who don't have connection and whose CRS is below 470, rather below 468. They have a great chance if their knock is in demand for Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program. Now another thing is that people living on temporary residence status, the TR status, they are going to get their PR. 90,000 people are going to get their PR as per the new immigration pathways announced. Okay, and Ontario will be looking at people to retain them in their province, or rather they would want to attract people to their province. They will not stop their HCP draws as per my prediction. Another thing that I'm going to tell you is that as we know that the authorities living in Ontario, they told Justin Trudeau that they want to ban those flights, international flights. Okay, but the government did not really respond to them, and there was no policy announced for that. Okay, so that also shows they are kind of open. So based on these figures and my anticipation, I think that we will see two Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program draws before FSW resumes. Okay, I hope this video made these things clear to you. Okay, and now you will have an idea about the Ontario PNP program. Okay, so if you think this video helped you and added value to your life, then please hit that button and a sub would be highly appreciated. This is Ali Prakar and I'm signing off.